Welcome to our channel, How Does It Work, where we explore the wonders of technology, science, and engineering. Join us as we dive into how things work, with engaging visuals and insightful explanations. Microwave ovens are an essential part of our kitchens, saving time and effort in food preparation. But have you ever wondered how this incredible invention works? In this video, we'll explore the history of the microwave oven, its inner workings, safety concerns, and the science behind cooking your food. Let's dive in. The microwave oven was accidentally discovered in 1945 by Percy Spencer, an engineer working with radar technology. While testing a magnetron, a device that generates microwaves, he noticed that a candy bar in his pocket melted. This discovery led to the invention of the first microwave oven, introduced commercially in 1947. It was the size of a refrigerator and expensive, but over the years, it evolved into the compact and affordable appliance we know today. Microwave ovens cook food using electromagnetic waves at a frequency of about 2.45 GHz. These waves interact with water, fat, and sugar molecules in the food, causing them to vibrate rapidly. This vibration creates heat through molecular friction, cooking the food from the inside out. However, the microwaves penetrate only a few centimeters into the food, so the heat needs to distribute evenly from the surface to the core. At the heart of every microwave oven is the magnetron, a vacuum tube that converts electrical energy into microwave radiation. This device emits microwaves into the cooking chamber through a component called the waveguide. The microwaves then bounce around the chamber and are absorbed by the food, heating it up. Without the magnetron, the microwave oven wouldn't function. Apart from the magnetron, several other components are critical for a microwave's operation. The waveguide directs the microwaves to the cooking chamber. The turntable rotates the food, ensuring even cooking. And the microwave's metal mesh door contains the microwaves inside, preventing them from escaping and ensuring safety. Microwave ovens are designed with safety in mind. The metal enclosure and mesh on the door ensure that microwaves stay contained, protecting users. Additionally, safety interlocks stop the microwave from operating if the door is open. However, it's essential to use microwave-safe containers and avoid overheating liquids, which can cause burns or explosions. Remember, following safety guidelines ensures a worry-free cooking experience. Today's microwaves have come a long way from their early versions. Innovations like inverter technology allow for more precise control of cooking power, ensuring even heating. Smart features such as Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control make cooking more convenient than ever. Some microwaves now combine convection, air frying, and steaming, offering unparalleled versatility. Microwave ovens have revolutionized the way we cook, combining science and technology to make our lives easier. From their accidental discovery to the modern smart appliances we use today, they remain a testament to human innovation. Next time you heat up your favorite dish, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology behind it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into everyday technology.